Obviously, there has been a lot of market turbulence lately. However, if you're being turned off of the Bitcoin ecosystem as a consequence of that, I'd urge you to reconsider. And it's a given. I know that Bitcoin has faced a lot of sell-side pressure. It's dropped a good 7-8% over the course of the last week. I believe we touched 58,000 in a recent low, and that sucks. And we do see the actions of countries like the United States and Germany, which are moving Bitcoin into exchanges, which suggests that the selling pressure may actually continue, unfortunately. And look, none of this is good news for Bitcoin. Okay, that is true. But that being said, the smart money out there and intelligent investors are looking beyond the short-term dips. And at a more fundamental level, the Bitcoin ecosystem is still buzzing with some of the most innovative projects out there in cryptocurrency. These are the kinds of projects that makes BTC both more scalable and more usable. Investors right now are pouring a lot of funds into Bitcoin ETFs, but the true value, at least in my opinion, is in terms of the technology that's going to lead to Bitcoin's greater and broader adoption. And so today I want to count down 3 projects that are doing exactly this, that are supporting Bitcoin's broader adoption by improving its scalability. These are 3 BTC ecosystem projects that you must keep your eyes on. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. Best of luck, as always, if you choose to invest. In fact, I wish you very, very well. But I'm not a financial or investment advisor, so just remember that this video is not official financial or investment advice. The first project that we're looking at today is Tectum, which is making a lot of waves within the Bitcoin ecosystem. It's also one of our personal favorites because the Bitcoin ETF and Bitcoin ordinals, they brought a lot of traction to Bitcoin. And by extension, this means more transactions to handle. Now, Bitcoin needs a layer 2 to help it process these transactions. And that's exactly where Tectum comes in. Transactions on Bitcoin can take up to 10 minutes if you're not added to the current block. So that's a lot of wait time if you're buying something very simple. Think a cup of coffee, for example. Tectum takes that wait time away and gets it done in seconds. And here's something pretty mind-blowing. Tectum can process over 1 million transactions per second, 1 million TPS. They are able to seamlessly address Bitcoin's scalability and transaction speed challenges. Tectum makes Bitcoin highly usable for real-world instant payments as a result. And their flagship product, the Soft Notes, makes any kind of transactions possible and fast because Soft Notes caters to both small and large transactions, which by the way is unlike the Lightning Network, which focuses solely on micro transactions. But Soft Notes has the extra advantage of being printed as cash and being sent over any messenger. So WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, even over the phone with a serial number. So it's your choice, really. By solving Bitcoin's scalability and transaction speed problems, Tectum makes Bitcoin available for everyday use, which means no more wasting time to pay for your items. Tectum's TET token has been up 26% in the last year. Holders can use their tokens, for example, to pay for travel expenses. This is via its partnerships with platforms like Travala and Travelcare. And merchants like Iron Viking Gym already accept TET. So retail adoption is definitely underway, and Tectum as a Bitcoin project really does have the potential to explode and to add to that all-important variable of scalability.
Listen up if you're watching this as a trader because we have a great find for you. We found an exchange that gives you the best of both worlds. Want to trade spot markets on over 400 trading pairs without KYC? Now you can. Want to trade perpetual markets with over 150 trading pairs with KYC? You can also do that. The only exchange that we've seen in the market that lets you do both simple spot trading without KYC and perps trading with KYC globally is BYDFi. And along with the great fees and almost no slippage on trade orders, you also get up to $8,698 in bonuses for trying BYDFi, along with a free month of our money-making Altcoin Buzz Alpha service just for giving BYDFi a try. Again, you are getting our flagship Altcoin Buzz Alpha service free for a month. Check out BYDFi by clicking the link in the description of this video below.
Next up here, and at number 2 on our list, is Stacks, which is up 129% since last year, which is not really a surprise because Stacks is the 4th largest project by market cap on Bitcoin. It is the biggest Bitcoin Layer 2 project as well. And just like Tectum that we looked at a moment ago, Stacks makes it easier for Bitcoin to handle transactions. Here's why. The Bitcoin blockchain cannot do smart contracts, okay? But Stacks can. Stacks enable smart contracts and decentralized applications, aka dApps, on the Bitcoin blockchain. Now, Stacks actually brings programmable features to Bitcoin without altering its core protocol. Stacks now has a TVL, a total value locked, of around $122 million, which is a reflection of the fact that its DeFi ecosystem is being adopted and trusted more and more. This allows them to engage in DeFi activities like create NFTs and build decentralized applications, all while using Bitcoin as the base layer, of course. Stacks' integration of smart contract features with Bitcoin security makes it truly unique. And with the bull market around the corner, I know it doesn't feel like that, but the fact is we are in a dip within the broader bull market. So with that bull market still around the corner, investing in Stacks could be a pretty smart move for your portfolio. Stacks' growing TVL is a clear indication that it's succeeding in bringing DeFi to Bitcoin. Stacks aims to make Bitcoin complete with more modern and advanced chains, and also become one of the industry's biggest layer 2 networks. Okay, and finally here, last but not least, we wrap up with this final project, which is BRC20X. Now, you've probably heard of BRC20 tokens. And so the idea here is that BRC20X is the first all-in-one BRC20 solution. It has a lot of features that simplify your entire BRC20 experience. And the first of those features is the X wallet. It's an app that functions as a wallet and gives you access to all the tools that BRC20X offers, all in one place. And then next we have the cross-chain bridge. It's an awesome feature that lets you transfer BRC20 tokens to EVM chains and Solana, and then back again, which is very convenient. We also have their virtual debit cards, and these are cards that let you shop privately and securely with your crypto assets. And if you prefer something tangible, there's also a metal debit card, which is in the works for those that want a physical debit card to go along with the virtual one. Now, according to their roadmap shown here, a browser version of the X wallet is coming next quarter, as are fiat on-ramps as well. You can also expect more DEX and CEX listings to come before the end of the year. They've also got staking pools with good APYs. And so if you're interested in the BRC20 part of things, this is definitely a project to keep on your radar. Right now, you can get BRCX on MEXC or PancakeSwap, but as I said, more listings are coming soon. And if you believe in the BRC20 ecosystem and its infrastructure, then this is a project to watch.
And so if this market pulls back hard under this level, and then consolidates and comes back, we're likely to sell and stall.